Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, power windows, trip computer, rear window defroster, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.